Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse app. You click on settings, then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you search about the application of Weverse and you click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.